National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Harford County in northern Maryland until 7 o'clock p.m. At 4:00.
Watch is now in effect for portions of Delaware, Northeast Maryland, and New Jersey, including the following areas: in Delaware, Delaware beaches, inland Sussex and Kent; in Northeast Maryland, Caroline; in New Jersey, Atlantic, Atlantic coastal Cape May, coastal Atlantic, coastal Ocean, Cumberland, eastern Monmouth, Middlesex, Ocean, southeastern Burlington and western Monmouth. Through late tonight, showers and scattered thunderstorms this afternoon and tonight are expected to produce excessive rainfall amounts that will lead to flooding. Because river and stream levels remain high as a result of 5 days' heavy rainfall, there is a heightened potential for flooding across the region. A flood watch means that there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. Please check the latest forecast through the day and be alert for possible flood warnings. If you live in an area that is prone to flooding, be prepared to take action should flooding develop.
Until 7 o'clock p.m. At 4:05 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain.
Flood watch now in effect through late tonight. The flood watch is now in effect for portions of northern Delaware, northeast Maryland, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in northern Delaware, Newcastle; in northeast Maryland, Cecil, Kent, Maryland, Queen Anne's and Talbot; in New Jersey, Camden, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Northwestern, Burlington, Salem, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren; in Pennsylvania, Berks, Delaware, eastern Chester, eastern Montgomery, Lehigh, lower Berks, Monroe, Northampton, Philadelphia, upper Bucks, western Chester, and western Montgomery. Through late tonight, showers and scattered thunderstorms this afternoon and tonight are expected to produce excessive rainfall amounts that will lead to flooding. Because river and stream levels remain high as a result of 5 days' heavy rainfall, there is a heightened potential for flooding across the region. A flood watch means that there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. Please check the latest forecast through the day and be alert for possible flood warnings. If you live in an area that is prone to flooding, be prepared to take action should flooding develop. The following is a flash flood watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch remains in effect until midnight tonight. The flash flood watch continues for portions of the lower eastern shore of
Hold on. That flash flood warning that was issued was for Harford. How come? Oh, you know what? They're probably going to play it after this flash flood watch is played. Because Channel 5 does pick up Harford County. And they probably just have to play the flash flood watch before they play the warnings. So until then, we'll have to listen to this. So you know what? Let's do this.
Lancaster, Louisa, Lunenburg, Matthews, Mecklenburg, Middlesex, Newkent, Newport, Hampton, Norfolk / Portsmouth, Northampton, Virginia, Northumberland, Nottoway Way, Powhatan, Prince Edward, Prince George, Richmond, Southampton, Suffolk, a strong sun, Virginia Beach, Westmoreland,
and York. Until midnight tonight, precipitation. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches, locally higher amounts of up to 3 inches. Impacts: showers and thunderstorms will be capable of producing excessive rainfall through this evening. Very heavy rain in a short period of time increases the threat for flash flooding, especially on roadways and in areas of poor drainage. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Harford County in northern Maryland until 7 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain capable of producing flash flooding. Radar estimates estimates that up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen across portions of the county. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1 inch can be expected. Some locations that are affected by the heavy rain include Aberdeen, Delaware, Dalston, Haverty Grace, Jarrettsville, and Pleasant Hills.
Most flash flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where water covers the road. Flood water usually is deeper than it appears. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. Make the smart choice. When flooded roads are encountered, turn around, don't drown. The following is a short-term forecast from the National Weather Service.